What's going on, everybody? So I just wanted to make a quick video to go over CRC, or Credit Repair Cloud, and one other issue. So I want y'all to watch this clip. It says over 80 items deleted, no way. Now, to be fair, my letters are created in CRC, or Credit Repair Cloud, but we never send clients results from CRC because they are 99% false. Yes, 99%. This is not just an issue that I have. You can go in 1,000 different Facebook groups, and it's the number one issue CROs have with Credit Repair Cloud. Is it may show you have 100 deletions, but if you actually go to the credit report, you only have 5 or 10. So y'all watch this. I don't want to say it's a scam, but well, yeah, it's a scam because it's not the truth. Never use CRC to send updates to your clients, because what'll happen is they'll get all excited about seeing those deletions, and then when they pull their credit report, they're going to be mad as hell at you. So watch this quick clip.
To check out my 5-star review that I just received today from my customer Omololu Ogulana. 3 months signed up December 29th, 2022. Here are all the stats. As you can see, we got over 80 negative items removed in 3 months for him. If you want fast credit repair, give us a call.
And then the next clip is a Google search. Now, I've said this a million times and I'll say it again. You don't believe me? Look it up. Go do you a case study if it'll make you feel better. All you have to do is pay to be the #1 search on Google. I mean, that's a fact. That's not something I made up. That's not a lie. You can look it up. Same with website traffic. You can pay somebody to create. It has something to do with SEO. No, I'm not an expert on SEO, but you can pay people to get you more traffic to your website. Google's the same way. Google's all about money, just like YouTube. And that's why these scammers are still on YouTube, because even though they're only getting 4 or 5 views, that's money for YouTube. So I want y'all to watch this video about Google and just understand that if you create a business tomorrow, you can be at the top of Google within 30 to 60 days by paying Google to be at the top. Check it out.
So one thing about Google is that Google is going to give you the most accurate, up-to-date, relevant information. And so if you look at just searching for the best credit repair companies, you're definitely going to find Pinnacle, and understand why Google, one of the greatest companies that have ever existed, rank Pinnacle Credit Repair on the top of Google search listings.
Alright, so if y'all have any questions or concerns about this video when it comes to CRC or when it comes to Google, just put them down in the comments. Just be careful with this stuff, because this is one of the things that makes it so easy for these people to scam you. They're using CRC. I've been talking about CRC for years now and how it shows false deletions. And as much money as they make, honestly don't know why they don't fix this, because this is a huge deal breaker when somebody signs up with you and think they got a bunch of deletions. And then as far as Google goes, it's as simple as paying to be #1 on Google. And then if you do a Google search from your own computer where you've been searching your own business, of course you're going to come up in the top searches, y'all. It's common sense. I don't know much about Google. I don't know much about SEO, but I know that much. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. That was kind of fast. Y'all have a great day.